Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. For example, if you want to look for Facebook professional mode and it is not showing on your device, then how you can fix that. As you can see, previously Facebook professional mode was available in Facebook profile setting, but there is no option available now. Then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Facebook app, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold the app. And after that, what you have to do, if you are using iPhone, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to app setting, and the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply clear the cache of the app. After clearing the cache, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back and you have to open the Play Store here, and here you have to simply search for Facebook. And here what you have to do is you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is not showing any kind of update, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Facebook page. And if you have recently deleted recently if you have recently updated your Facebook app, and that's why Facebook professional mode is not showing. And because in the latest update Facebook professional mode has been shifted to a new destination, so how you can find it? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Facebook profile, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on three dots here. And after that, if you can find the profile settings here, and here you can find the Facebook professional mode. Now if you want to turn on the professional mode, then you can simply click on turn on and your professional mode will be activated here. In this way you can fix the professional mode option not showing. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.